Yeah. Yeah. With a Kit Kat? With a tea Kit Kat? A tea one. Oh. And a kiss from someone when she goes to bed. Yeah. What's up, boys? What's up, Babu? What's happening, man? Sorry, guys. I just had to step away for 1 second. For 1 second. What's up, Seal? What's up, Babu? The man, Babu. Babu is back. We buying gold? Are you buying gold? What are you doing, D? What are you doing, brother? Are you buying it or are you selling it? You tell me. You tell me, broski. You're selling? You're selling Earth? Earth is selling. What's up, Peter? What's happening, Peter? Peter in the YouTube chat. What's going on, my guy? What's happening, man? Bearish, but almost change of character. I mean, it's so tough right now, right? Because at this point, price, if you look at the daily, right? First of all, price has opened up and has dropped 250 pips almost from open, right? From the previous low, it's broke by almost 100 pips. So obviously the daily is quite bearish at this point. If we take a look in terms of the weekly, right? In terms of the weekly, price has made a top weekend is driving down, exactly what we talked about yesterday in the stream. And if we look at the monthly, which is very key right now, right? The monthly candle is very, very key right now because there's only 10.5 hours until the new monthly candle. Okay, 10.5 hours until the new monthly candle. So the monthly is insanely important right now for price, and you can see it's actually rejecting, right? Obviously, right? It doesn't take a special kind of trader to say that, but we're having some rejection in here now from the monthly perspective. Price is driving down. So if that translates into the weekly, you know, it's just looking like a top wick and driving down, potentially to fill this wick, right? To come down into these lows of last week, potentially. Why is that still on? Go away. Coming down into these lows from last week before we see some further upside, because in terms of the monthly, like I said, there's 10 hours left. How much is this going to reject from the monthly? You know, in terms of how much can this come down from the monthly perspective and leave even bigger of a top wick, right? So yeah, everything right now is riding on the monthly, and as of, you know, right now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, it's looking quite bearish, right? Because price is obviously was in this consolidation in this channel. You know, it's retested some of these levels up here, right? Some key levels, as you can see. If you want to see these, if you want to see this better, then come over to the YouTube channel if you're on TikTok. But yeah, lows have been broken at this point. You can see the lows, the most recent high lows right in here. In this short-term pullback trend, price has broke it most recently, this previous 4-hour candle, and is retesting it now. So 4 hours looking bearish, I'm not gonna lie. Daily, of course, is looking bearish. Weekly is obviously bearish based off of last week's candle. It just depends what this monthly candle wants to do now, right? If it's gonna leave, if it's over the next 10.5 hours, just gonna come all the way back down during New York session or whatever, and continue, you know, and leave a huge rejection, then obviously that's going to be interesting to see how that plays out next month. Well, on Wednesday, tomorrow, when the new monthly candle opens. So yeah, we'll just have to see at this point, right? We've got 10 hours left. So if price, I mean, there is support in here, right? There is a level. If we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, if you're looking at the 4-hour, you can see this level over here that price is tapping into, like a break and retest of this key level. So it could be coming down for another tap in here, maybe, right? Boom, tap it down into this level before we, you know, continue bullish, or even back up to these levels up here for a nice monthly strong bullish closure, right? Or some, you know, decently bullish closure, because at this point it looks like the monthly candle is set. You know, this whole month it's been going up. It didn't make a bottom wick, it didn't come back down, it's been staying bullish back and forth. But yeah, it all just depends on this monthly candle now and how it wants to close. So it's going to be very interesting. Very interesting. But anywho, you know, we well, I took 3 trades today. 2 during like kind of midday Asia session before the pre-London, before the trading window, and then I took 1 at trading window open. So 3 sales today. Just following on from the bearish sentiment from the daily, yesterday's daily candle, right? So if you take a look at yesterday's daily candle, what happened, right? We have a high over here, then yesterday's daily candle made a lower high and broke previous lows and made lower lows, closing bearish at a support level, right? At a key level in the market, support resistance level. So I was just anticipating sell today, just based off that yesterday daily candle closure, closing bearish, right? Creating bearish structure, respecting the key level, creating a resistance, creating lower highs, lower lows, closing bearish, aligning with the weekly, right? Previous weekly closing bearish. Very simple. So today I just was looking at sells and just completely demolished gold on the sells today. Completely demolished. What's up, PJ? Tucking. That's why I recommend trading the 15, 30, or the 1 hour, right? If you're not in a position to look at the charts, if you can't sit down for a 4-hour period, right? This trading window, if you can't look at the charts for a 4-hour period without being interrupted, then you shouldn't be trading the 5-minute time frame. You should be trading the 1 hour time frame or the 30-minute time frame, right? Trading the 5-minute chart is for people who can sit at their desk or a computer or whatever and have time to concentrate and lock in on price and understand what's happening, right? There's no point trading the 5-minute time frame if you can't sit and watch it, because that's what scalping is, right? So I recommend, brother, that you trade the hourly or the half an hour. What's up, Cheyenne? I'm waiting for a valid change of character and a buy signal, and I'll enter. Very nice. Running position on buy. You got a buy open, Babu. Hope you're doing well, mate. One and done for me today. Nice, Rion. Nice, bro. I love that. I'm doing well, man. That's it. That's it, Rion. That's all you need, bro. Come in, look for your trades. Take a trade. If it's a winning trade, take your profits, get off, carry on with your day. It's perfect. Vipul, no, I'm not in a trade. I have my trades today. Pre-London. What's up, Murad? What's up, brother? Murad, my guy. Let's have a look. 90s, bro. Ricky, thank you guys for the follows on TikTok. Let's go. Which pair? This is gold. Is this news? Which news? Are you talking about the news this week, Ben? Yeah, Seal is right. He said, everyone buy the indicator now. Tomorrow you'll be charged monthly. Seal is correct. Last day to purchase a one-time fee for the indicator. Tomorrow it goes monthly subscription. What time's pre-London? I use the session. No, this is my indicator, Babu. So this shows the trading windows that I trade. Right here, this is pre-London. So it's not based off London session. As you can see, if I turn on the sessions indicator, London session starts here and my trading window starts here, right? So London session starts here, my trading window starts here. So it's not based off sessions, it's based off something else. I don't use the 1 minute Rami. And that's my indicator, bro. Forex with Cody Algo version 4. Can gold have buy opportunities down the 5-minute time frame? Yeah, potentially, Evans. I'm really going to try my best to be consistent. 1 period, 1 symbol, 1 setup, 6 months at least. Yeah, nice, Ryan. I love that, bro. Trust me. You will see a huge difference in your trading and you'll get used to it. At the minute, right now, it might seem like you're missing out on something, or, you know, you're just itching to be on the charts and looking at price and be like, oh, I could have been in that trade. Oh, I could have been in that trade, you know, but maybe you'll get to that point at one stage in your career, right? Maybe 5, 6, 7 years down the line. Yeah, fair enough. But right now, as you're learning, you need to just focus on, you know, on that consistency. Well, not if you're learning, but if you're new to trading as well, or if you've only been trading for a year or two, you just need to focus on consistency. Stop focusing on profits, on strategies, right? Because, like I said, there's a lot of strategies out there that work. It's the mindset that needs to be changed in order for you to make that profitable. So focus on that consistency, the discipline. Give it 6 months to a year, and you're going to start seeing changes, trust me, and you're going to get used to trading that way. And it's a lot more stress-free. It's a lot more, you know, not as time consuming, you know, like you're not thinking about the charts all day, every day. You know, you're not sitting there looking at the charts for like 10 hours a day. You know your trading window. You know when you have to look for trades within a 4-hour gap. You know the setup you're looking for. You know the pair you're looking at, and that's it, right? The most you can do is just switch between time frames to try and find an entry or, you know, a better setup on each time frame. But you know exactly where you need to be, what you're looking for, and what you're looking for it on. There's no way that you don't build consistency doing that, right? And confidence, and that just comes with a whole lot of different you know, aspects to trading. Then it's just going to come naturally to you. And then, like I said, down the line, you know, 5, 6, 7 years later, when you've got the experience, you can look at taking multiple trades a day if you want to. But you just got to understand that comes, the more trades you take, obviously the more risk that it comes with, right? If it's a bad day on the charts, right? If the price action is just not clicking that day, if the setups are just not forming, right? You take one trade, it's a loss. That's it. You're done. You jump off the charts, and you've potentially saved yourself a lot of headache and a lot of losses, right? Because, you know, price that day is just not, it's just not right. Whereas if you're looking to take multiple trades, right, you'll enter the first one, you'll lose. You're like, okay, let's have a look for the next trade. Let's see if I can get another entry. Enter again, you've lost again, right? So now that's 2 losses. And you're like, oh, okay, well, now I'm seeing this setup and it looks really good. And maybe I was too early on those other 2 entries. Maybe I should take this one and I'll try and make back my profits, blah, blah. Boom, another losing trade. Then you've had 3 losing trades in one day. Now that's going to start fucking with your, you know, your mentality, your psychology. So the 1 trade, 2 max a day, right? If you have a winning trade, you take it, you walk away, you come back the next day, you look for another trade, right? That mentality, that discipline, it's gonna take you a long way, trust me. Are those red lines in the trading windows support and resistance? Yeah, support and resistance levels, bro. So for example, here today, on the 15-minute time frame, as the trading window opened, the 15-minute candle came down and closed below this key level. You know, if you want to just mark it up like this, right? Oh, if you want to just mark it up like this, right, and just mark that level up and take a look to the left, you'll see that, you know, over here, price interacting with this level, you know, all the way through here, right? Key level in the market. So key levels, you can mark it like this, and you can wait for a closure below on the 15, right? 15 is a really nice time frame for breakout, the 15 or the 5-minute, but 15 is more solid, it's more consistent. And as you can see, right, you get a closure below, a breakout, and then from there, price drives, you know, over 100 pips. Or into the next support level, you could take it from here to the next support level, you're getting 47 pips, right? Very simple. 3 break-evens today, no stop loss, no take profit. 3 break-evens, amigas. What was you trading? Andy B77. What's up, man? Thank you for the follow on TikTok. Let's go, my guy. Al Pacino, what's up? What's up? What's happening? 2 of my TP have hit. I'm waiting on my last. Do you think it will hit? 2319. You're in a buy right now, I'm guessing, in McKee Gaming. Yeah, there's a potential for price to come up and retest this level. This is a key level in the market. For sure, if we take a look at the 4H, I mean, the 4H is making a top wick. If this starts, you know, coming down and flipping bearish, there's a good chance it's going to come break these previous 4-hour lows. based on this current structure, this current momentum. So starting at 2312. Oh, nice, bro. Right down the bottom there. What news is coming out right now? There's nothing showing here on TradingView. Employment cost index. I wouldn't worry too much about that, to be honest. It's this one you need to be it's these ones you need to be worried about. JOLT, consumer confidence, ADP NFE change. But if you hate when you're in a trade during news, then just get out the trade, bro. Protect your capital. Protect your capital. Damn you. Damn you, brother. You got me. You got me. It says USD red folder on TradingView. What are you talking about in Forex Factory? Yeah, in Forex Factory it's got, yeah, there's red folder news, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Seal. I will be making videos about how to use these key levels, and I'll be adding them to the indicator section soon. But basically, they're just breakout levels. Broski. Basically, they are just breakout levels. What was I just about to do? I was just about to do something. Yo, Chahid, thank you for the diamond on TikTok. Let's go. Diamond. Diamonds are forever. Forever. What's my bias? My bias, I kind of went over that at the start of the stream, but I've already took 3 trades for today. 3 sales based on structure, right? So if we're looking at the daily, you know, we've got bearish structure forming right here now, right? So we've had highs, higher lows, then we had lower highs, lower lows, break of structure on the daily close bearish, respecting this level to the left, right? So this support level in here. So you can see, oh, Didn't mean to do that. You can see price has respected this level in here, made a resistance, flipped bearish, broke bullish structure, and now price is driving down on the daily, right? So my bias, what I would continue to look for is, you know, this 4 hour candle now to make its top wick, flip bearish, start breaking the lows, and just look for continuation. Look for continuation sales. That would be my bias. Price is clearly in one direction right now, right? And I'm not talking about the boy band. It's going down. It's simple. Simples. My mischance. What do you mean my mischance? Appreciate that, Blossom. What's up, Charlon? Charlon. Topics. What mischance are you talking about, brother? Yo, Eloa, appreciate the 10. Let's go, bro. Let's go, my guy. Always dropping by and showing some love. Appreciate that. You a real one. Oh, this guy, eh? This, the fake account just joined the live. I just saw that it pop up. Forex with Cody joined the live. So we got the fake account in here, guys. If you want to say anything to the fake account who keeps making fake profiles of me and trying to scam people. Why don't you comment on the stream, brother? Do you share your trade entries on Telegram? Not necessarily, no. I share analysis on Telegram, but not my exact entries. DC, thank you for the follow. Let me say something to the fake one. Go on then, Charlon. Say something. Found his dumbass. Reported his dumbass. Reported his dumbass, blocked his dumbass, Goodbye. He's only going to make another one, but whatever. Make no mistake, should you choose to test my resolve in this matter, you will be looking at an outcome that will have a finality that is beyond your comprehension, and you will not be counting the days or the months or the years, but millennials in place with no doors. Damn, bro. Is he really, Eloa? I just blocked him. I just blocked him and reported him. So, I mean, that's all I can do. He's probably just going to make a new account and continue. But I think when you block, actually, when you block, doesn't it block like multiple accounts? Doesn't it block like every account that they will associate themselves with? Yeah, it's my one, Besh. It's my indicator, bro. You're saying it's your backup account, really? Wow. Why would I be messaging people as I'm live, telling them that it's my backup account? Like, is this person stupid? Like, you can literally see me on the screen right now. Yo, Charlotte, I love that message though, bro. I think he's like shivering in his boots right now. Bro, your analysis on gold on point. Exactly what you said last week, Sal. That inside candle from last week you spoke about, daily, weekly. Yeah. I need to do another one of those videos actually. A little market gold update. This one, yeah, this inside bar, which was the same as this one over here. What trader do I use? What do you mean, what trader do I use? Like platform? Trading platform? Nice, Harry. Let's go, bro. Broker, I use FP Markets currently. FP Markets currently. Yeah, so today was another good day, man. Monday, Tuesday. That's probably going to be me done for the week, guys, I reckon. Because obviously I'm still going to stream. But in terms of news, tomorrow there is... Tomorrow's not too bad. If we get trades during that pre-London session, then it's fine. But then, you know, late Thursday, we've got FOMC, unemployment. We then have NFP, we have unemployment claims, then unemployment rates. We have the federal funds rate, the interest rate. So from Thursday or like late Wednesday, it's going to be a bit crazy, a bit messy. A lot of high impact news. So I'm probably, that might be me done for the week. Apart from tomorrow, depending on how price is looking during the first trading window, I'm probably going to be done, to be honest. Your topics, chill, bro. Look 955, appreciate the follow. What's up, Laser? Shout out to Cody for helping his academy members when we need advice and help. Let's go. Always, bro, always. I make sure I'm quick with the replies, man. You guys will know that. Try and be as quick as possible. Why today gold? I trade gold every day. And I got a bit of a headache, I'm not gonna lie. My head is pounding right now. But yeah, all we have to do today is just keep an eye on the monthly, right? This is very key on how price sets up for like tomorrow and the rest of the week, especially with literally the first few days of the month, the new monthly candle. There's gonna be interest rates, unemployment, NFP, job openings. There's gonna be so much stuff happening straight away as soon as the monthly candle opens tomorrow or tonight. You know, it's gonna be an insane week. So yeah, very key on how you know, how this monthly candle closes tonight. Best money I spent during the academy. Yo, Laser, that I appreciate that, bro. That means a lot to me, man. That means a lot. And trust me, we are only just getting started, bro. This is the very, very beginning. There is so much more to come. There is so much more to come in the academy, with everything. I have so many ideas. There's still so much information that I need to upload to the academy. But I'm trying to do it slowly so it's not overwhelming for you guys. But yeah, there's a lot more stuff that I'm adding to the academy, which you guys are gonna love. But the basic is there, right? The core is there. The core of the strategy, the core of the, you know, the psychology lessons, the strategy, the beginners. I want to do. There's a lot of people who ask about TradingView and MT5. I want to do a separate section on that, going over the best tools, how to set up MT5, how to set up TradingView. First of all, that would be part of the beginner section. But then there's so much more that I need to add to the strategy section as well, which is just going to help you guys get a grasp on exactly what I do every day, right? Like the analysis, understanding at what stage the market is at. So for example, today, how I took 3 sells, my bias today was just sells, right? Like I explained in the stream at the start of the stream, just based on the daily time frame. That is all you need to see today, based on how yesterday's candle closed. And all the information is given there to take sells. And that's why I was confident taking like 3 trades today and 3 sells, because everything just lined up perfectly. Especially with the end of the month, right? The end of the monthly candle. It's been bullish all month. Now we're starting to see pullbacks. We're starting to see a rejection wick forming. 10 hours left until monthly candle closes. Daily time frame setting up, you know, you can see it's just very clear, right, to see. But I'll be adding all this to the academy as well, how to read the charts to get a better understanding of where price is at during that current day, that current week, that current month, you know what I'm saying, that current session. So it gives you a better idea of, do I look for sales today or do I look for buys, right? Which the indicator does most of anyway, but there's still, you know, you still want to learn it manually. So you don't really have to rely on an indicator to, you know, do everything for you. You can still do some things manually and learn how to actually trade without an indicator, because if all of a sudden TradingView just disappeared for some reason, whatever reason that may be, you guys are gonna be like, shit, now how do I enter these trades that the indicator was telling me to enter? Right? You still want to learn the manual method. So what's up, Trippy? That's from my indicator, bro. So that has been coded by JC, my coder, to basically come to the conclusion that I come to, right, when I'm doing my analysis, if I'm looking for sales. And you can see today, right, all through today, it's just showed bearish, bearish, bearish. And again, I've just looked for sales today, and everyone in the academy as well, right? If you take a look at the academy today, all the members were also taking sales, right? Once it loads, give me a second. But everyone's starting to understand, right? Everyone's starting to get into that same flow that I'm in. And the indicator was obviously just giving sales all day anyway, so it doesn't matter, you know. Yeah, Francois taking sales, Seal taking sales, more sales from Francois. That was my sales. Tony took sales. There was somebody else, Panda as well, I think, took sales. Where is it in here? Yeah, Panda as well also took sales. So everybody in the academy today took sales, and that's all I took as well. So you can see that what people are learning is obviously having an effect, right? Because they're coming to that same conclusion that I am in the markets, you know. It's on my website, Tony. So once you purchase the license, it will unlock in your trading view. You'll be able to add it to your charts. Tony Loco. It's currently a one-off fee, Tony. Tonight, the start of this month, it's going to go to a monthly sub. So if you want to get in for a one-time fee right now, go to my website and have a look. Otherwise, as I said, tonight or tomorrow, it's going to a monthly subscription. You'll never get it for this price ever again. Yeah, the link is in my profile, bro. Link in the profile. Give me a second, guys. I'm hearing like banging for some reason, and I need to go see what it is. Like, it's just constant banging. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea what that is. Still hear it. Must be coming from outside somewhere. Yeah, I don't know. I give up. I give up. Something's banging, but I can't figure out what it is. And it's annoying me right now. Anyway, let's continue. Blah, 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 blah. Price is dropping right now. There's actually a sell signal right here, I'm pretty sure. Yep. But it's outside of the trading window. That would have been a nice 22 pip drive so far. Techo, thank you for the follow, appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok, my guy. Bro, what is that fucking noise? First time seeing live trading? You talking about me live trading? Or just in general, everyone live trading? That noise, can you guys hear it or not? Can you guys hear that banging? Can you hear it, Teo? Teo? Oh, what noise you said? You can hear it? Bro, it literally sounds like somebody's like banging on the door. I don't know, it's coming from like from here, right here, you guys can't see. Right to my left is the window, right? Window. So it's like right there, it's outside. And there's noise, man. There's noise. And I can't figure out like I went and had a look, but there's nothing there, but sounds subwoofer. Does it, LOL? Like actually, you can actually hear that sound? Because that's what it does sound like. It's like a low banging sound. It's annoying me. Like I can't concentrate right now. I'm trying to concentrate, but all I can hear in the side of me is just like boom, 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 boom. Can you teach how to trade? I tried, but I tried before some, but they scammed me. Who scammed you, Nighties, bro? Who scammed you, bro? Who scammed you, brother? Come on. Who was it? Who was it? Who scammed 90s, bro? Come on. Own up to it. TikTok? What's up, Tucking? You're back? Where did you go? Where did you go, bro? You guys on TikTok can hear that, hear the music, yeah? Music. Oh, you ate dinner? Nice. Stop biting nails. I need a haircut. Bad. TikTok. Someone from TikTok scammed you 90s. Damn, bro. Yeah, I took 3 trades today, Flicks. 3 trades. Right here. That only shows 1, but yeah. 3 entries. Can you sell now? Sales have already happened, bro. Sales happen from up here. Yo, Ali. Thank you for the sub on YouTube, bro. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, Ali. I'm from England. I'm from England originally, but I'm living in Australia. Australia, mate. Currently living in Melbourne. Yo, 90s, bro. Thank you for the 30 diamonds, bro. My God. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so as price is coming down into the previous 4-hour lows, right? Let's update our key levels now, right? So we go into the indicator and we go show all key levels, and now it's going to update. So we have lows now on the chart, right? We have key level here, and we have key levels down in here beyond that, right? From the left, if we have a look. So you could look for sales below this level, right? Look for a closure below this level on the 15-minute time frame. You can look for continuation sales there. Are you from Malaysia, currently living in Mildura? Vic, oh, nice, bro. Mildura, I'm not sure where that is, but we may be close to each other, bro. You never know. We may be close. Oh, 7 hours drive from Melbourne. Okay, you are very far away from me then. You are very far away from me, brother. You're from Luxembourg? Damn, bro. Yeah, we literally have people from everywhere in these streams, man. Literally everywhere. Resh from Perth. Nice. What's up, Resh from Perth? We got Berry from Nigeria. See what I'm saying? Like, we just got people from everywhere in here, man. Global. Global. Born in Portugal. I was born in Portugal. Nice, man. So what happened? How did you end up in Luxembourg? Is trading even worth trying? It depends, bro. It depends what you want out of it, right? Depends what you're doing it for. If you're doing it for money, solely just to make money, then, you know, I'd say it's probably not worth trying. But if you're doing it for a genuine interest in learning a skill, or, you know, learning how to understand how it works, and, you know, like I said, learning a skill that's going to be with you for the rest of your life, with potential to make money, you know, from that skill, then, you know, it's definitely worth trying out. Sunday, just got back from Melbourne, just going for a holiday. Nice. Where did you go? Where did you go, 90s? Sell, I mean, yeah, you know, there was a lot of selling pressure today leading into pre-London and now during London. Right now, price is outside of my trading window. As you can see, I only trade within like this window. Obviously, apart from today, I took 2 trades up here, but I definitely do not trade this area. So this is the mid-London session going into New York session, pre-New York. So this can get messy in here, right? If we just look back at you know, price action previously to the left within this the middle of trading window 1 and trading window 2, price likes to consolidate a fair bit, right? So I like to stay out of this point in the market. So I use this time to stream and chat to you guys on the stream and do some analysis for New York session. As you can see, you know, again, in this area, consolidation. In this area, consolidation. You know, it happens a lot. It consolidates within this area a lot, right? So this is why I don't like trading this area. So you can see during the trading window, volume. Outside of the trading window, no volume. During the trading window, volume, right? So yeah, I don't like trading this period. But otherwise, just look at the daily. Right, look at the daily time frame, look at the 4-hour time frame. You're going to see a clear sentiment. You're going to see a clear direction, a clear bias. Price is clearly bearish, clearly heading down. All that's happening right now, I mean, there's an hour 30 left of this 4-hour candle. It's an hour and 40 minutes left of this 4-hour candle. It's made a top wick, right? So it's drove up at this point 47 pips. So within the next hour, the closer we get to New York session open, you could see this potentially flip bearish and start breaking these lows and start driving down, right? Or we could just see this candle as a no volume consolidation candle, bullish 4-hour candle pullback for then you know, New York candle to open and continue bearish at this point. So we just have to wait and see. Now, I don't trade like London session or New York session, Tio. It's trading certain candles. So I call it a trading window because it's a window where I like to trade, but it's based off of certain candles that open and close throughout the day. So it's not exactly London or New York session. As you can see, if I turn on the sessions indicator, you can see that London session starts in... Let me just move this. London session starts here, right? Or like here. Well, it's there somewhere. But as you can see, when I turn on my indicator, you will see that my trading session starts over here. Okay, so London session starts here. My trading window starts here. So it's not based on London session. It's just based on certain candles. Hugo, what's up? Transmission? What do you mean transmission, Hugo? Gabs, thank you for the follow. No, I don't, Gabs. I have no idea what those are. Dexacrina and Bonkbot. I have no idea what those are, unfortunately. Sorry about that. Anybody in the chat know what Dexacrina and Bonkbot is? Oh, Dex Screener, mem coins. Oh, sorry, no. This is Forex. This is gold, xausd. Oh, crypto does. Laser crypto man does. He's into the crypto. Can you tell? Can you tell? How can you tell from the candle? What do you mean? How can I tell from the candle? What do you mean, Tio? It's just based off a candle closure. That's it. Every single day, right? It's the same candle. Every single day, I like to trade the exact same candle. Hi, Simon. Simo. And what candle is that? Oh, Tio. Oh, buddy. That's classified information. Classified. Nah, it's just certain 4-hour candles, bro. The daily and 4-hour chart is all you need. Trust me, it's all you need. If you just constantly look at the daily and the 4-hour, right? First of all, look at the daily to understand where this daily candle could be, you know, the current daily candle could be heading based off of the previous daily candle, right? Then all you need to do is go down to the 4-hour, wait for a candle to close in that direction, and then boom, easy. You then go down to the 30, the 15, the 5, you look for your entries based on that bias, based on that direction, right? Very simple. Very simple. And that's why I was looking at sales today. Look at, you know, I'll explain again. Look at yesterday's candle. What happened in yesterday's candle? For my broadcast on YouTube. Oh, no worries, Hugo. If we map it out right here, okay, let's take a look at the previous day. Closed bullish, right, with a higher high and a higher low, creating bullish structure, obviously, right? But then if we take a look at yesterday's daily candle, what happened? Price made a lower high and a lower low, breaking bullish structure. So you can see at this point we had a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. Okay, simple bullish, simple price action, bullish structure. Very simple. But then yesterday's candle created a lower high and a lower low and closed bearish. And it also closed at a key level in the market over here, right? Take a look at the daily. To the left, we can see clear support, resistance, price tapping 1, 2, 3, rejection wicks, breaking bearish structure, creating lower highs and lower lows. So that's what all I was looking at today is sales, right? And I don't need to look at swing trades because I'm looking at the daily or 4-hour. I'm not swing trading, I'm scalping. But first of all, I get my direction and my bias off of the daily and the 4-hour. And then I'll go down and I'll look for sales. Like for example, now, right? Like I said, previous 4-hour candle closed bearish. This current candle has drove up and created a top wick. And if this comes down, starts breaking previous 4-hour lows, then simple, you can just start looking for your entries again on the lower time frames, right, for sells. Sold that top wick on the current 4-hour. Nice, AMG. Nice, bro. This one right here. I mean, I was in sales from right up here today. Literally, as soon as the market opened, I saw that. I saw from the daily perspective, I was like, yeah, price is going to sell off today, in my opinion, right? Just from my analysis. And so I literally sold this from the top, from all the way up here. So pretty much the daily candle opened here. New daily candle opened up here today, in these areas somewhere. And straight away I was looking for sells, sells, sells all the way down. Yesterday's daily candle is bullish. It's bearish. I'm using xauusd. It may be different on another chart, but if I was you, I would stick to use. I would use xauusd as well. It's the most consistent, in my opinion. What broker are you using, Momo? What chart are you looking at? Yeah, Aussie stuff. Yeah. What's your opinion on the high impact news coming at 10:30? What we got here? 10:30. Employment cost index. I'm not too fussed about this news, to be honest. I mean, I know it's a high impact of red folder, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm more worried about the, what's coming up Thursday, Friday, the JOLTS job openings, right? The FOMC, the interest rates, the unemployment claims, the NFP. That's what I would be focusing on in terms of news. I'm not too fussed about this. So whatever happens with this happens. Doesn't really bother me. But I would just recommend not trading it, right? If you're not comfortable, if you don't know what's going to happen with news, which none of us do, to be honest, just don't trade it. It's good to use a couple charts. Not for me. I just stick to xauusd. I have a clear and precise picture of what's happening in xauusd. If I go onto another chart, it might say something else. That's going to mess with my analysis. It's going to mess with my head, and then I'll be like, well, which one do I follow? Do I follow this one or do I follow that one? And then you're stuck in between. And so in my opinion, it's just best to just focus on one chart, and xauusd is the most consistent, in my opinion. V4 is fire. Let's go, Tony. You liking it, Tony? Can you see a massive difference from V3? How much have you made in 1 year, if you don't mind me asking? Just the most I've really done is like a standard, salary, like 80, 100K. Four hour flipping bearish. Yep, 4 hours flipping bearish. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it flips and starts driving. I mean, it's in a level right now, right? That it's it's within these ranges at this point. So, well, potentially it's closed below. It's wicked up, tapped in, right? It has closed below. So, yeah, if it does start breaking the lows, there's a good chance that it's going to continue bearish yet. Down into you know, next key level. But I've just got a feeling that at New York's session open, price is going to reverse. I've just got a feeling. Usually when you get a move down like this during Asian session, London session, when New York session opens, it will go the complete opposite way. Not always, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but it tends to happen. What's up, Alwyn? I love the chart and the levels it provides. Yeah, all the levels right there for you. It's beautiful. And Tony, like, if obviously at this point you would know, right, that if they're red, it means, you know, bearish. You're looking at sells. If they're green, then bullish. You're looking at buys above, right? But look how price just interacts with all these levels. Ding, rejects, drops. Taps as support, breaks below, drops. Two, 303 key level. News today, yeah, we got news in a bit, in about an hour. Do you not look at RSI? No, I don't look at the RSI, no. I used to when I first started trading, but it's not part of my strategy, no. I don't think it's necessary, in my opinion. If you're trying to catch reversals, then it, you know, obviously it's necessary, but I don't ever trade reversals. I just go with the trend. Trend trading at its finest. Trend trading. But yeah, people like Academy just killed it today, man. Academy members killed it. Two wins, one break even this week. Done for the day. Loving this, not spending too much time like before. So we're in and we're out. We're in and we're out, man. In the academy, that's it. In and out. We dip in, make some money, and then we dip back out. That's Tony's trade from today on his funded account. Francois trade. I think Francois took two trades actually, yeah. One trade he made $70. On the next trade he made $52. Seal with a couple of trades. He said this indicator is truly money printer, he said. He said he should have followed the indicator in the first place. I listened to a TikTok trader and lost money. The indicator saved me. Damn, bro. Which TikTok trader are you watching, Seal? Break even for the day. Thank you, V4. It's just for members at the moment, AMG. It's just for members at the moment, bro. It was getting a bit too saturated with too many people. So I just closed it up to members only at the moment. So I can, you know, focus on actual members and, you know, their requests and questions and stuff. So it may open up again soon to non-members, but right now I just want to keep it nice and small. And I need to get a haircut bad. I need one tomorrow. Tomorrow, I love you. Let's take a look, right? If we go in here and we see the last one was on the last employment cost index was on the 1st of Feb 2024. So it must be like every quarter or something, it seems like. Yeah, I think it's quarterly. So the 1st of Feb. Let's have a look. Is this the 1st of Feb? Yeah, this is the 1st of Feb. So it came out at 12:30 a.m. So if we go back to the 1st of Feb, right as the clock struck, where is it? Right here. So maybe in here, 1st of Feb. So it might have been the Fed interest rate. 1st of Feb. So it would have been in here somewhere, right? 12:30 or something like that. So it was this here. So this was actually a decent move, right? This is when the news that we're getting today, this happens quarterly, employment cost index. It was negative for the US, and that's why you saw gold drive up. So this was actually a decent move. This was actually a decent move that happened here from the last one. So, I mean, yeah, you could get a pretty decent move here if we get some, you know, potentially negative news for the US dollar. Even if it's positive news, actually, you could see gold driving down. So interesting. 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 Something we're gonna have a look at tonight. 20 minutes until New York session open. Yeah, I only trade gold, Mafia. I only trade gold. Yeah, I need a fresh cut. I need to shave this shit off as well, man. Starting to get itchy. You know when your beard just gets to that point where it's like itchy? What's your opinion about quick trades with high lot, just 1 minute candle and no stop loss? I think that sounds like a recipe for disaster, bro. If I'm being honest. Yeah, I don't know either, Tony. My shit gets like the tiniest bit long and I'm just like, oh, itchy. I just have to shave it off straight away. Fair enough. I mean, it depends, Rami. Like, from that little bit of information that you just told me, going on to the 1 minute time frame and having no stop loss, I would say, yeah, that's bad. That's a recipe for disaster. But I don't know anything else other than that, right? Are you using a strategy, you know, analyzing the higher time frames first, then looking for your entries on the 1 minute candle? Like, I don't know the whole story. So from that bit of information that you've told me, then I would say it's not a good idea. But I don't know the whole picture, of course. Because it's no different from me, right? Doing my analysis from the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, and then going down onto the 5 minute and looking for my entry. So if you're saying something similar like that, then, you know, fair enough. Not sure about the high lot. You know, just risk 1 to 5% of your account. If you're a beginner, risk 1 to 2%. But yeah, 1 minute no stop loss, risky business. Yeah. The fact that you're saying no stop loss leads me to believe that you don't have a plan or like a strategy that you're following. How come you're off work this week, Tony? Oh, okay, nice. What happened to her foot? Just did she injure herself or something? Look at this now, man. It's just gold is just relentless to the downside right now. And look, everything's showing up here. Bearish, 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 right in the top right. Look at that top wick. I mean, there's 1 hour left of this 4 hour candle. It's just created this beautiful top wick. It's now just breaking the lows. We've got 10 minutes left until New York session open. So the volume could come in here to just continue driving down. You know, if you're looking at like these wicks to the left, you know, you could be heading into these levels here potentially. Or like I said, at New York session open in 10 minutes, price is literally just going to reverse. Bullish. It do be doing that sometimes. It do be doing that. Buy now, says Mafia in the YouTube chat. Look at these wins, man. My last loss was 26 minus 16 pips, minus $1,224, minus 2.83%. I've now had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row. I don't think I've had a 6 win streak so far this year, actually. The most I've had, I think, was a 4 or a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually it's a 4 win streak, and then I have a loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 win streak there. Then a loss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a loss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a loss. 1, 2, 3. Then a loss. Now I'm on a 6 win streak. So I'm thinking there's gonna be a loss. Next trade is gonna be a loss for sure at this point. I'm almost certain. I'm almost certain. Biggest ever loss? Might be one of these. I actually don't know. I had a... Look at this. I went on a 5 losing streak here, man. This was January was a bit rough. Probably one of these in here. Either the 2... Is it 2-7? 2-7 so far this year. This is, I think this is my biggest loss. $2,747. Oh no, 2.8 right here. 2.8. $2,827 so far this year. In terms of my biggest ever loss, I'm probably in that region somewhere, like 3, 4, 5 grand maybe. Does losing big like that sometimes scare me? I wouldn't say it scares me, no. It doesn't scare me. But it definitely makes me more cautious, right? Like, after a loss like that, you're like, damn. Goddamn. So you kind of just play a bit safer during the next couple of trades, right? But no, I mean, you know, it's all within the risk parameters, you know, like as long as you have a plan, as long as you have a risk management plan, a trading plan, and you stick to it. Obviously you're going to get losses sometimes. Some losses are going to be bigger than others, but I'm not going to sit here and say that it doesn't affect me whatsoever. Of course it does. It's going to affect anybody just seeing almost $3,000 just evaporate like that from your account, and you're like, shit. So I'm not going to sit here and try and act all cool and be like, no, it doesn't affect me. But you know, if I just sat on it too much and thought about it and let it affect me too much, then it's gonna cause a much bigger problem. But if I just go, shit, that's a lot of money. Like I need to focus now. I need to like snap out of it and like, you know, switch on, make sure this doesn't happen again. Oh my God, this guy again. This guy's literally just commented in my TikTok chat. The fake account has literally commented in my TikTok chat. Are you for real, brother? Yeah, you're getting blocked, reported, everything. Yo, everybody report that guy in the TikTok chat. Report him. That's not me. That is not me. Report that guy. Everybody report him now. Spam report him. It's a fake account. What should I put it as? Minor South illegal activities. Other? I don't even know about that. Everyone report it. The cheek that this guy has to come into my TikTok live and start commenting with a fake account of me. trying to talk to other people in the chat. Like, what the fuck? These guys don't give a fuck, man. They're ruthless. Tony, this is just one, bro. There's been multiple. Like, they literally make a new one every single day. I've had so many people now message me on Discord and Instagram and stuff saying that they've been contacted by this fake account. Like, a ridiculous amount of people, bro. I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm officially a guru. Bro, it's horrible, though. I hate it. Like, people out there are potentially getting scammed by somebody pretending to be me. That's fucked. Yo, Danny, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Abdullahi, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Notice, because it's two account. What do you mean, Simon? I literally see them. You know, down here, Tony, you see how you can see people in the TikTok chat coming in. It says this person joined, that person joined. You know, Amit joined. So I literally see these people keep popping up here. Forex with Cody has joined. Forex with Cody has joined, like all different accounts. And then this guy has the cheek to comment as well, bro. Like, what the fuck? I've already blocked 2 today. That's the second one I blocked. Yeah, it sucks. But I mean, you know, what can I do? What happened? Just an account. I mean, a couple of accounts today already, fake accounts pretending to be me, trying to message people, trying to scam them. What's up, Da? Yeah, exactly, Legend. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's a good thing, but it means that something's happening, right? Like the momentum shift has happened where I'm starting to get more traction and the live streams are getting more popular and things like that, which is good. But then that means it comes with all this crap as well, and you know, it's just annoying. I wish I could just vibe out, chill with you guys, do my thing, and not have to worry about people trying to scam people in my name, you know? TikTok should do something like Instagram does, where they give, or you can get a verification check mark or something, so that people know which is the correct account and which isn't. All right, Tony. Peace out, bro. Good trades today, brother. V4 is fire. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, V4 is about to go monthly. Might even do it now. It's practically the end of the month. Yeah, exactly, Amit. That's what I was saying. Like they should have similar to TikTok, similar to Instagram, right? Where you have a verification check mark or something, so people know that what is the legit account and what isn't. Bearish for news event. I mean, we just have to wait and see when those numbers come out. You know, we did have a look back at February 1st. That was the last time that this news came out on gold, right? The last time was Feb 1st, so it's quarterly. This news happens quarterly. And you can see that right here on the 1st of Feb, when this exact same news came out that we are getting in 30 minutes, there was a nice reaction in the market, right? This was negative news for the US. So naturally, gold had this bullish move to the upside here. But this was a decent reaction, right? This was a decent reaction. I was not expecting this kind of reaction from this news. So yeah, this was from the 1st of Feb over here. You see 1st of Feb, it was negative, right? So this was bad for the US dollar. Gold pushed up. And it was only, oh no, it was a change of 0.2%. Up here, right? Change of 2%. So 0.2%, sorry. So this is what we're getting tonight in 30 minutes. This is that same news. It happens every 3 months. So depending on the news, this could, you know, we could get a decent reaction in the market right here in 30 minutes. Down, 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 down. Am I buying gold today? No, I've took sales all today, Pepe. I took 3 sales today. Gold was very bearish for today, in my opinion. And obviously it was, because it's continued bearish. It's sold off today, so. That's it, boys. The indicator is now a monthly subscription. No more one-time fees. It's done. 2-3 didn't provide support, and it doesn't seem to hold water up to hand. But traders seem to like, they love 0-0 numbers as support and resistance. What, you're talking about like 2-3... 2318000. You're talking about like this kind of level right here. GK Prof, thank you for the follow. Pepe as well, thank you for the follow. 2-3, talking about the 2-3 level. Or 2000. I mean, yeah. I don't really use key levels like that, like round numbers or anything. I just stick with where price is reacting the most. Sip, thank you for the follow. For you, LOL, I will, bro, because of the the love that you've left in the TikTok in the stream over the last week. So for you, bro, just let me know, and I'll put it up for you, or I'll send you a private link. Nah, I stream on YouTube as well, Cole. So we're live on YouTube and TikTok. YouTube. Do I trade live? I used to trade live, Mafia. I used to, but it's. I mean, I may again in the future, but people like when I used to do it a while ago. This would have been. Like a year or two ago at this point. I think, I don't know, it's the same as the TikTok Cole. It's Forex with Cody. If you go to my TikTok profile, you'll see the YouTube link straight in my profile, and you can just click it and come over here. So yeah, I used to trade live, but I feel like people just come in here. I found out there was a couple people that they do it with a lot of live streams, right? They'll start a service, for example, like a signal service, and they will just come onto YouTube and go around all the YouTube lives, wait for traders to take entries and post them as signals and charge people for it, right? So I found out that's a thing which I didn't like, which kind of put me off a little bit. And also I just feel trading live adds a lot of pressure. Like I found myself making mistakes, because obviously a lot of people were watching and people were taking the same trades. So there's a lot of different things to trading live. It's very hard knowing that there's a lot of people also taking they're naturally just going to follow your trades. I always told people not to follow my trades, but people just do it anyway. So it adds a lot of pressure, and I just don't like that pressure. But I may do it again at some point. I like to really lock in when I'm trading, right? I like to really be in my own little zone, not have to answer questions or, oh, why did you take this entry? That entry's wrong. There's an imbalance there. There's an order block there. Why are you taking a sell there? It's a buy, right? All that kind of crap. I just like to lock in, take my trades, watch the charts in peace. And then, plus I can't stream during when I'm live trading anyway, because most of the time I do it on the go. I have a daughter, which I look after during the day, so I usually have my laptop and I'm doing my trades and kind of being with her around the house, or if I'm out, usually we go to the park or something like that, I'll be trading on my phone. So, it's hard for me to stream anyway during that time. So, all my trades are posted in here, right? Since so far this year. So every loss, every win, break evens as well, every trade, I post them on my Instagram, my TikTok, the losing trades as well. In the Discord, I'm very open about my losing trades, right? Losing trades, winning trades, whatever. But yeah, it's hard. It is hard trading live. Just imagine you trying to trade live in front of I'm not saying I have a massive audience, but just trading live in front of, potentially hundreds of people, especially the TikTok, right? The TikTok has 1,500 views so far this stream. So that's a lot of people coming in and out with their eyes on you as you're trading. It can add a lot of pressure. Appreciate that, Amit. Instagram, it's all the same. Forex with Cody. Telegram is Forex with Cody. I can put the Telegram link if you want. But yeah, it's all Forex with Cody. It's all the same. Not at the moment, Pepe. I keep actually meaning to connect it. I just keep forgetting though. But everything in my account is in here anyway, Pepe. Is in this journal so far this year. All the stats. All the stats are available. 59 wins, 4 break-evens. I haven't logged all break-even trades, most of them. But yeah, 59 wins, 32 losses. Because at the start, I wasn't counting the break-even. Like, I wasn't logging them. I just didn't think it was necessary. But then towards like the start of this month, I was like, you know what? I should probably start doing the break-even trades as well. So I started there. But yeah, 54%, almost a 65% win rate, 179% account gain, 600 pips secured. Yeah, my win rate for April so far is 82%, and that's gonna close today. So my win rate for April, 20 trades taken, 82% win rate. So improving on last month. Last month I had 16 trades, 69% win rate. February I had 23 trades for a 74% win rate. So April has been very good. April has been very good. And you can see the highest percent win rate I have is on the type 1 setup. How do I scroll across here? I'll go across. Oh, it's over here, that's why. 5-minute entry is the most accurate, the highest win rate. The daily has the highest. So for entry wise, right, my entries, the most accurate is the 5-minute, the highest win rate. But in terms of the analysis, it's the daily. Hi, honey. Yes. Yummy. Love you. Yeah, in terms of analysis, 4-hour and daily is, well, daily is the most, the highest win rate. And my highest win rate in terms of sessions, obviously I don't really trade New York because it's too late for me. So I've only took a few trades in New York session, only 7 this whole year. And I've had a winning trade every single one. Pre-London is where I trade the most, obviously. So I've had 49 trades during pre-London, 60% win rate, 35 trades during London, 60% win rate, and then 4 during Asian, where it's been 100% win rate. So every time I've traded New York session or Asian session, it's been a winning trade. That's quite funny, actually. What's up, Bats? Bat. How are you, Bats? Have you always traded gold, or did you trade FX4? No, I've only recently, I'd say the last couple months, switched over to gold. I've always traded gold, but I've only recently switched over to only trading gold. Whereas before I used to trade GJ, I've traded Euro USD a little bit in the past. But I was heavily a GJ trader, right? gbpjpy. There was a time where I was the same as I am now, where I only traded gbpjpy for a good few months. So I trade gold. Yeah, this is gold. This is gold, Krullen. Ethan, those are type 1, type 2, type 3. Just depends on what kind of setup is it. Is it a breakout? Is it a price action signal? And is it a like a continuation signal, like setup? So it's just based on different setups. Breakout, price action, continuation. It also has to do with different time frames as well, like daily, 4 hour. Cup of tea time. All right, we've got 15 minutes here until this news drops, so I'm interested to see what happens, because this is actually very, very, very key. If we get a big reaction in the market here, if this is negative news for the US, which will kind of make sense with how price is forming, then price is going to start driving back to the upside, and we could get a nice closure back up here for the monthly candle, right? Because this is quite a strong rejection for the monthly. So it's quite an important quite important data that's coming out in terms of the reaction it's going to give in the market, right? Is it going to continue to just drive down? We're going to have a lot of volume coming in, and is this daily candle just going to continue to drive down here past previous weekly lows, right? Are we going to have a big sell-off? Because then in terms of the monthly, what that would look like, right, is the monthly is going to start coming down, you know, leaving a huge rejection with only 8 hours left of the monthly candle left. So, you know, if you look at previous price action in the market, you can see something similar potentially happened here, right? Price drove up for the month, and then towards the end of the month over here, price started rejecting and started coming back to the downside. Left a huge rejection wick, still closed bullish by a bit, and then look what happened. Price sold off for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in a row at that point. Okay, and look what happened after that. Sorry, look what happened before that. Price was in an uptrend, right? Then it had consolidation. Then you had that strong wick and price reversed. So something similar could potentially happen in here if we get a strong rejection. So it's quite important how this monthly candle closes. Same kind of deal over here as well with this wick. Price drove up for the month and then eventually came all the way back down, rejected, and actually closed bearish and then sold off again, right? Similar to what happened over here, and potentially similar to what could happen over here if, like I said, depending on this current weekly and daily, the weekly is bearish, the daily is also bearish. We have some news coming out that could give a huge reaction in the market based off of the previous news that we saw that was on the 1st of Feb. So with all these things, how is this going to form the monthly candle, which closes in 8 hours or 8.5 hours, right? So it's actually kind of interesting to see what's going to happen here. If we get a reaction, first of all, and if we do, what kind of reaction is it? You know, is it going to be positive, negative for the dollar? And are we going to continue to drive to the downside, or are we just going to completely flip, leave a rejection wick on the daily and start driving to the upside, back up into previous weekly highs over here? Let's see. Let's see. How do you get that indicator that tells you weekly? And then, that's my indicator D. It's on my website if you want to have a look. Link in the bio. I'm good today. Just made today 1% bats. Nice, bro. Let's go. EU 15-minute nice pullback during news and buy maybe. Oh, nice. Bats has got it all figured out. Bats knows what he's doing. See, we're already starting to get rejection here. Price flipping bullish potentially, right? Little signs creeping in here and there. So we did have New York session yet. So New York session has just opened as well. I can feel it slipping away. Let me know how you know. What do I think about news? Just wait and see what happens with news. We can't predict news, right? We just have to wait for the numbers, wait for the data. Wait for the data, my brother. Wait for the data. That's all we can do. Coming back down now. It went all the way back up. Rejected all the way back up. Flipped bullish. Then it came all the way back down. Flipped back bearish. Let's have a look at the 5. What's the 5 look like on there? Yeah, look at the 5 rejecting this level right now. Look how these key levels are just beautifully being respected at this point. Loving the impatience? What do you mean the impatience? Did you mean patience? I hope you did. Oh, you're talking about people from TikTok. Oh, yeah, the TikTok is just crazy, bro. That's all you get all day, all night long. Buy or sell, buy or sell, buy or sell, buy or sell, buy or sell. If you can actually get a 15-minute, 5-minute closure below this level, this is gold. Yeah, this is gold. Ace. Why did you switch to only trading gold? Just consistency wise, Cole. You know, when you get to a point in your trading career where you have a decent amount of capital, you have a solid trading plan, a solid strategy, you realize you don't need to trade 5, 10 pairs, right? You just need to focus on one, and you're still gonna make the same amount of profits, same amount of gains. You're gonna find a lot more consistency. You're gonna have a lot more clarity in what you're looking for and how you're approaching the charts every day. You know, you're going to be more disciplined. There's a lot of benefits that come in from just trading one pair. And gold gives you good moves, you know, like for example, if I was to just measure like this current candle right here, right? This is like 28, 30 pips, right? That's all I need for me to get in a trade, catch 15, 20 pips profit and get out. Whereas on, for example, a pair like a Forex pair, like GJ or something, that this candle would probably be like 10 pips, if that, right? So then it comes that kind of point where you're like, you know, what kind of profits can I make out of a 10 pip move versus on gold a 30 pip move, right? Oh yeah, 100% Ethan, for beginners as well. And that's what I recommend to all the academy members and everything, is just to trade one pair. But it's very hard when you're a beginner to get into that mind frame, because it's new to you. You're looking at all different pairs, trying to find if your strategy works. You're trying to find multiple trades to get into a day, because you think that, you know, the more trades you have, the more entries you have, the more money you're going to make, blah, 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 blah. So, you know, it's very hard to, as a beginner, to follow that. So yeah. You should add alerts to indicator or make a video tell us where to put alert lines on our chart. Alerts for the signals, gamer, or what? Oh yeah, preaching. Like you're gonna find out truly who you are as a person when you start trading. Truly, you're gonna, things about you are gonna come up that you never knew existed, right? That you never knew were even there or possible to be even there, you know? So it tests a lot of you, trading does. It tests all different aspects of you, and you find out all different emotions, traits that you never knew that you had. You're gonna be able to watch the footy later. Are you talking about the Champions League? 5 minutes, yeah. 5 minutes, boys. 5 minutes. Put indicator so we don't have to stare and wait. Well, you don't have to stare and wait, gamer. You don't have to. If you're trading, for example, if you're trading the 30-minute chart, right? You know that for example, me at 3 o'clock, I know that I need to start trading. So at 3 o'clock, I come and I go, is there a signal? No. I'll come back in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, is there a signal? No. I'll come back in 30 minutes, right? Even the hourly, right? If you're looking for signals on the hourly, you only have to check every hour. If you're trading the 15-minute, then obviously you're checking every 15 minutes, but you don't have to sit and stare at the charts. No, it doesn't work best on the 5-minute time frame. That's why I give all time frames: 15-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. I tell everybody who's been, who's only just started to use the indicator to use it on the 15-minute, 30-minute. Right? Only after some time, after some experience using it, you should go down to the 5. Madrid, Munich. Oh, I mean, to be honest, yeah, I'll probably watch it. It's going to be early in the morning for me, but I've got Stan Sport, so I'll be able to watch the replay. But I'm looking forward more so to Thursday, Villa. I'll support Villa. So we're in the UEFA Conference semis against Olympiacos. No, the quarters. No, the semis. Yeah, we're against Olympiacos. So that's going to be a massive game for us. Massive. Humongous. Oh yeah, it's been tough for you this season then. Well, not even this season even, just like the last few weeks. Getting knocked out of Europe. Basically dropping out of the title race. No cups. Wait, you got the Community Shield or something, right? At the start of the season. You won something at the start. How do you know what lot size to use? You use a position size calculator, gamer. Yeah. Yeah, it's not. And I've seen him arguing with like Mo Salah the other day as well, Ethan. Like that's a big, that just shows exactly what's going on right now, and it's not painting a pretty picture. So it's probably good that he's going out, and he's probably a few players gonna end up leaving this season. I would say Mo Salah, maybe even, you know, I think a lot of your big players, or a few of them, are definitely gonna go with Klopp as well this season. It's gonna be like a fresh start, and I hope because I genuinely like Liverpool. I hope they don't go the same way as Chelsea, right? How they kind of started a new era, got some new names in, some fresh young players, and they've just completely dropped off it. So I hope Liverpool don't go that way, but it usually happens once a big manager goes like that. Look at Man United once Sir Alex Ferguson left. Chelsea once kind of like that Mourinho era was over. Klopp leaving Liverpool I think it's going to have the same effect. All right, guys, 3 seconds. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Oh, there we go. It's opened up. It's continuing down. So this should mean positive news for the US. Potentially. Let's have a look. Yeah, positive. There we go. It's positive for the US dollar. So that's why you're seeing gold spike to the downside here at that point. Thanks for asking. No worries, gamer. Whatever questions you have, bro, shoot them my way. I'm fine. I'll answer them. It's fine. It's literally impossible not to become a successful trader nowadays by using demo accounts and shit. It's just a time and patience. Yeah, it's literally just time and patience. You got to understand that you're gonna, you know, you're gonna want to be in this industry or in this market for, you know, minimum of 5 years at minimum, right? You want to start looking and planning for like the 10-year mark, 7 to 10 year mark, where you're going to start to find a bit of consistency, right? Understand at that point, you know, most people just think as soon as they come into Forex, a year later, they're going to be profitable, you know, or making money or making millions of dollars, and that's just not the way. Ish not it. What percentage do you risk per trade? 1 to 5%, Cole. 1 to 5% usually. Arsenal to win the league? I mean, they could. They've got a very good chance. I just can't see Man City bottling at this point. They've got I'm not going to say easy. No game in the Premier is easy, but they've got a decent run of fixtures, Man City do. I think Arsenal... I'm not sure about Arsenal's fixtures, but Man City have got a pretty decent run to the end of the season. Man City, just as usual, will just come back at the last minute at the end of the season and just fucking win it all. So it's like Arsenal, Man City, Liverpool, Man City, Liverpool. Now it's Man City, Arsenal, Man City, Arsenal. And then every single time Man City just comes to like the last few games of the season, and it's like, oh, there you go, Man City have won it again. I'm going to AC Milan and AC Roma in Perth on 31st of May. AC Milan, AS Roma in Perth. Nice. So that's the pre-season, yeah? I might have to have a look at that actually myself. What do you think will win between Real and Bayern? Oh, that's a tough one, bro. That's a tough one. Real Madrid and Bayern is a tough one, but I'm going to go with Real Madrid. Because they've just got the experience. That club has just won endless amounts of Champions League. So I don't know. Bayern Munich have got Harry Kane. He could be the difference. I don't know. That's a tough one, man. That's a really tough one. I'm using FP Markets, Pepe, but this is Oanda. Man City, Tottenham, West Ham. Whose is that? Whose are those fixtures? Man City's. Oh, okay. So they've only got Tottenham and West Ham. Looking gold 4-hour chart structure. Price is now exactly on key price level. Can buy with tight stop loss, micro loss. A very risky buy. I mean, yeah, it is risky, especially with news, but I mean, each their own, you know? Each to their own, bro. So yeah, so it looks like we initially had that spike down because of the negative, the positive data on the US, which obviously is going to send gold down. So yeah, let's see what happens from here. I'm not in anything Narduzi. Well, I'm hoping because Villa are in 4th place and Tottenham are in 5th, 9 points behind, I believe. But they've got 2 games in hand. So I mean, Tottenham have got a very hard running. They've still got to play Liverpool, Man City, and Arsenal, I think, or Chelsea. So I'm hoping that, you know, these like Man City and Liverpool can beat Tottenham, which would give us the 4th position Champions League. Yeah, Emery's done an unbelievable job, bro. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. He took over last season when we was like 17th. We were poor. 17th, shocking. And in that same season, he somehow got us up to 7th or 6th. I can't remember. But yeah, insane. And now we're 4th. We've done the double over Arsenal this season. We've beat Man City. You know, we're in the semis of a European. I'm not going to say major because it's the Europa Conference League, but we're in the semis of a European trophy. Like, insane. Yeah, that's going to be an interesting game, man, Ethan. That's going to be interesting. Especially with how things are going now, right? We're going to be on the push for to try and secure 4th place. And I think a lot of the Liverpool players at this point, I wouldn't say have give up, but you're getting that vibe that like they're kind of they've moved on to next season already. Yeah, exactly. Saudi's going to come in, take Mo Salah off your hands. So this was a 0.3 increase. 0.3 increase, which is it's decent actually for the US. So US dollar should be quite strong now. So this should realistically continue bearish, right? Based on news. Right below 2-3. Next levels definitely down in here 2291 391 for sure. Yeah, Ethan, like this week is just chalk. In terms of news, it's like, damn. That's why, you know, I took my trades yesterday and today, and now I'm probably not going to trade for the rest of the week, to be honest. We'll see potentially tomorrow, early, like, you know, early, like, pre-London session, maybe Asian session, but otherwise, yeah, it's probably just best to stay out. Yeah, everything, bro. FOMC, NFP, interest rates, which is going to be insane. Unemployment. It's just not worth the risk trading during those days, like for the rest of the week. We've also got a new monthly candle open, right? Which is going to cause havoc and chaos in itself. New monthly candle open. So, yeah. We just gotta wait. Like I said, we just wait and see how this monthly candle ends up closing, right? If this, I mean, that's positive news for the US. So realistically, gold should start driving, you know, should continue driving down. And if that does happen, we could end up with a huge rejection wick from this monthly candle, which closes in 8 hours. And then you could see a potential sell-off, right? First of all, new monthly candle should open up, create a top wick, start driving down, right? Potentially. If this closes with a strong rejection. If price in here somehow starts reversing now, right? Starts pushing to the upside. To kind of like finish off strong for the monthly candle. Then, you know, there's the chance that the monthly candle will close strong bullish candle. Next monthly candle will open, come down, create a bottom wick, and then continue driving bullish up into these heights and potentially further. So a couple of different scenarios, obviously, bullish or bearish. That's very, you know, doesn't take an expert to say that, but you know, just we can anticipate based off that information, depending on how this monthly candle closes, what then we can expect or look for coming to, you know, tomorrow straight away during Asian session. New daily candle open, new monthly candle open. You can expect a certain movement in a certain direction based on the monthly open and closure, right? Yeah, usually that's what affects the market, right? As well, Pepe, like Powell, when he does his speech, like, and he's kind of giving his outlook and what people can expect. But yeah, you ever try swing trading or always scalp? I started off swing trading right at the beginning, but yeah, I'm more suited to scalping personally. Because I like to just focus. I'm more suited to just focusing on one thing at one time, right? So like I always say, one pair, one setup during one session, right? Whereas if I'm swing trading, there's no way I can just look at one pair, right? Because I'm probably going to get a setup every like once a month or something, or like once a week or once every 2 weeks. So with scalping, it just suits me because I can just focus my attention on a certain time, on a certain pair, looking for a certain setup, and it just helps me build that consistency. Nice, McKee Gaming. Let's go, bro. I'm new to all this. What's the best broker to use? I use FP Markets, Monique. FP Markets. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna dip out. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna wake up nice and early. Watch the football potentially. See what happens for this. I wanna wake up early so I can see what happens at market open tomorrow. Right, this new monthly candle for forming opening. It's gonna be interesting, right? So just keep an eye on the monthly today, and how this closes in 8 hours time, right? How price starts to form. So yeah, it's gonna be very interesting. I might try and capture a couple of moves in the morning, early Asian, maybe, depending on how this opens. But otherwise, yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Appreciate you guys coming to the stream as usual. Real ones, legends. Thank you for supporting the streams, coming in and chatting and keeping me company. Thank you for all the follows and likes and views. Where am I located? I'm in Melbourne, my guy. Melbourne, Australia. But yeah, appreciate you guys, man. That was very, I'm not going to lie, that was a bit of a boring red folder candle, to be honest. I expected a little bit more, but we could get that. We could get it now, right? This could just be the spike out of the negative, the positive news, which would mean gold would decrease, gold would spike down. But now, now that news is passed, right? We could get that spike down, grab liquidity, boom, start driving to the upside, and then fill, you know, the current monthly candle wick to the top a bit better, and have a nice strong bullish closure. So just keep an eye on the monthly, see how it forms during the rest of today's session. Can I get the indicator? Yeah, bro. I'll send you a link. Where can I send it to you? On TikTok? I'll send you a link, like a personalized link. But yeah, appreciate you guys, man. The new month is upon us. Tomorrow I will be live, and it will be the 1st of May. All right. So yeah. Appreciate you guys. Peace out.